So just when APC members are rejoicing, they are all happy that hey, Tinubu is going to be on the ballot alone. Nothing is going to stop Tinubu from contesting in 2027. Boom! A news broker yesterday. If you see comment section, people were happy. People were like, so even my commenters, God, let your will be done. No, you would like to hear this news. You would like to hear this one. So just stay with me. I want to take you through this news. Now, what happened yesterday? A news came out yesterday said court asked to disqualify Tinubu from 2027 election over alleged certificate forgery. This was like, when is this going to happen? Like, how soon are they going to pass this judgment? That was what everybody was expecting. Now, let's get into the news properly. What actually happened? Now, a civil society organization, the Center for Reform and Public Advocacy, has filed a case at the Federal High Court in Kano asking the court to disqualify President Bola Tinubu from contesting the 2027 presidential election. The suit relies on long-running allegations surrounding his academic credentials, including his Chicago State University record and his NYSC certificate. This is what actually happened. Now, why is this happening at this time? Why is it happening at this time? The Chicago State University controversy never completely went away. You people knew about this. Even Reno Mokri had to, if not that one is an hypocrite, or maybe should I say he's just being greedy. He went to the school himself to find out, to make sure that President Bola Tinubu never attended that school. Now, let's continue before the video be too long. The issue backdated back to the 2023 election when Atiku Abubakar obtained Tinubu's academic record through a U.S. court order. Remember, Reno Mokri was working for Atiku then in 2023. This record created political controversy because of alleged inconsistency in admission documents, secondary school history, certificate format, names appearing on some documents. However, the U.S. court did not rule that Tinubu committed forgery. It merely ordered the university to release documents. Then the Center for blah 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 believes that these people that filed the lawsuit believes that new legal argument exists. According to the lawsuit, CFROPA argued that Tinubu allegedly claimed attendance at the government college Lagos before the school existed. Are you seeing? They claim his NYSC certificate is not genuine. They argue this issue make him constitutionally ineligible for another presidential election or run. Now, look at that. Look at what is going on here. You see, Tinubu alleged claim attendance at government college Lagos before the school existed. That means he made a date. The certificate he submitted, that's the school he attended. The school has not existed before the time he gave them the certificate. What is showing on his certificate? It's just like a school was created in 2010 and you're giving a history saying that you attended that school in 1999. Do you understand it? That's what happened here. So, how strong is this lawsuit? How strong is it? At the moment, the filing is genuine. The allegations are not yet proven. Several similar cases before and during the 2020 election were dismissed or did not ultimately prevent Tinubu from contesting or assuming office. For this new suit to succeed, CFROPA would have to convince the Federal High Court the documents are actually forged, the alleged discrepancy have legal significance, and the Nigerian electoral law requires Tinubu disqualification on that basis. That they need to prove that those documents were really forged. Now, even when they have seen that it is forged, we all know what is going on in the Nigerian judiciary system already. So we know that something may still happen. They may either look for a way to delay the case, adjourn it until the election is even over. But let's just continue. Could Tinubu actually be disqualified? The answer is possibly yes. Likely too early to say yes or so until evidence is tested, defendant responds, witnesses are heard, and the court delivers judgment. No one can truly say Tinubu will be disqualified. That is the truth. So even though you are happy that this is happening, this is not a fresh case. Like, this is a fresh case from a different organization, but this case has already existed. But this time they took it to Kanu instead of taking it to Abuja. Are you seeing it now? Which means if there's anything that should be done, we know that Tinubu and Wiki have bought the judiciary and everything. But if the law still exists in this country, if the law still stands in this country, and there is one people that can give us justice, which is the last hope of a common man, which is the judiciary, if they can actually stand their ground to speak the truth, you will see that Tinubu will be disqualified because of the certificate he presented to them were not legit. And they knew this since 2023, but they failed to do anything and still allowed him to contest. What is your opinion on this video? Is Tinubu supposed to be qualified? If he has dropped on the comment section, is he not supposed to be qualified? Drop it on the comment section. Please, no tribalism, no ethnicity, and no religion. Let it be from your heart and love. Let peace reign. Let me like and share.